Track 19, Part 2. Smartphones are becoming more popular every day, all around the world. In 2010, 38% of the world's population owned a smartphone. Most of these people were from developed areas of the world, like North America and Europe. 5 years later, that figure was a lot higher. In 2015, 62% of all people had one. And in the future, these amazing little devices will probably be even more popular. So popular that by 2020, 78% of the population will own one. And by 2025, many scientists believe that this number will be even higher still. Not as high as 100%, but close. This is mostly because, in the less developed parts of the world, people will be richer than they are now. So, in that year, when 86% will own one, what will smartphones look like? Will they look the same as they do now? I'm afraid I can't say for sure, but I do know that they won't look the same as the one in the picture that we're looking at today.